We can reiterate again for like the millionth, billionth time that these are the best ways to grow your network is these cross-promotional videos. We're trying to really push all of our clients. You know, in the first few months when you're just getting started on social media, it's great to do some really basic topic videos like who we are, what we do, what services do we provide. But as you start to develop your social media presence, having collaborations with others and going to visit your business associates in their office and showing how you work together, talking about the processes that separate you, those are the things that really help you grow on social media. You even see that with big influencers. Like, they can do as much as they want on their own with their own brands, but it isn't until they do that like one big collaboration with the other influencer and they cross-pollinate followers that they both start to really skyrocket. And if you can strategically do that in your area, whether it's like Massachusetts, Rhode Island, where we are, anywhere in New England, just we want people to start thinking about that because it really is a great strategy.